Now it's a quite difficult part for beginners, so feel free to watch this video again and again until you understand. So now, after you completed the first two layers, you want to do a cross. So this one, like you've done for the first step, but on the last layer. So every cases that you learn to solve the first class won't work for this one, because if you do it won't mess up everything else. So to solve the cross, you just look at the corners. So when you have two adjacent corners which are misoriented, you just have to do the following algo. So if U R U prime R prime F prime, so it's the F inverse sexy move F prime. So when you have two opposite edges that are incorrectly oriented, so you just have to do F sexy move, so R U prime R U R prime U prime, then F prime to have the cross. So the third case is when you have all the edges not oriented. So for this, you do F U prime U F U R U prime M prime F prime U F R U M prime U prime F. Or a better way is when you do small f R U prime R prime U prime N prime, especially in this case I really didn't quite forget the algorithm. So F R U prime R prime U prime F prime, then small f R A prime R prime U prime F prime, and you have your cross. So you just have 3 hours to learn. But by learning one algorithm, you can just do it twice. For example, this one you just have to do 2 times the sexy move to finish the course. And you have this. can just put 2 times inverse mode to have the cross. So next thing you want to do is match the corners, the edges with their layers. So here has, you can see the red is matched. So for this you only need to know one algorithm, which is the Soon algorithm. So you just we will swap those two. So I'm just doing R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. U, R, U2. So it can be quite annoying because you want to directly swap those two, because you don't in fact swap 3 edges and it adjusts the your face. So what you want to have is this. So after, you want to place each corners in their correct place, regardless of their orientation. So for example, so for this you have 2 algos. So the first one is when you have this corner here which is not affected at all. So for example, we consider it as the solved arrow, so corner. So for example here, so it's placed. So you only want to swap those 3 around to the correct spot. For this you do R, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, U prime, L, U. Yes. So the inverse of this is, so the middle cases do L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. Nothing in a type is when you know where to start when you have a corner. If you want to start here, here, here. If you want to have the whole face completed, you start with the corner on the right, on the left, which is where the yellow sticker is facing you. But what you want to do is bring the corners in the correct spot. So this corner will go here, this one here, this one here. So you choose whether you're saying starting here, here, depending on where this one or this one goes. Need to. So the next step, you need to orient the least oriented corners. So if you have the full set is 6 algorithms, but you just need to know two. So the first one is when you have the headlights, so the yellow facing the same direction, and so here. So for this, when you have the headlight facing the right, you do an R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, which is the inverse of the Sun algorithm. So this one was the anti-Sun. And after you do the same algorithm, so the anti-Sun on the left. So L prime U2, L U R prime U L. For the other cases, the chameleon or the Superman or the hammerhead, we call it a hammer. So when you have the yellow stickers facing in opposite directions, so here, and you have so on the headlight on the front face, on the right face, sorry. So if you turn it, it's no headlight. If you turn like that, it's hammerhead. So for this cases, you just do the left Sun and the right Sun. L prime, U prime, L prime, L prime into L, R U, R prime U, R U2. So just to show you the other cases, yeah, so the first one is this one, which is the Sun orientation. When you have so this one facing here, this one here, this one here, so they are facing the right. Yeah. So just do D prime, R prime, D R, and do it again. Then do on U, and same thing, D prime, R prime, D R, twice. Again. Then you adjust the U face. And so for the others is when you have the anti-Sun, or when you have like this, so facing here, this here. So when it's facing the opposite side, or the adjacent side of the face which is on it, just have to do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D again to adjust the U face. D, D, R, D. So this is when you can use it solving the chameleon or the headlight. Just by doing. You can see the other case is when you have two opposite corners. So it seems that the Sun one should do it like this. You can even apply the two first algorithms I showed you by solving this one, and so this one will be unsolved, and you solve those two in one. So just a demonstration. Yeah, because useful this one, but messed up this one. So that's the only thing you need to know, and now you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. See you next time for the advanced layer by layer method. Bye.